Yes, in the context of the training program, I would say that we were able to deliver on what we planned to deliver, even though I believe that there's still a lot out there that we were working within the context of the time. In simple terms, ADR is just simply any way of resolving dispute that is not litigation.
My expectations coming here today was to learn more about the various ADR methods and how to apply them in our everyday lives and also in the legal field.
The highlights were the interactive sessions where I could see that practically every member of the training class wanted an opportunity to express themselves, wanted an opportunity to participate in the process. So that gave me the impression that we had a trainee-centric training session.
Or the subject matter of the dispute has to do with a transaction that whether took place in Nigeria but had some effect internationally, or took place outside Nigeria but had effect in Nigeria.
The interactions between the teacher or the lecturer and us, the students, they took their time to explain to us, to speak to us, and also to answer our questions.
Well, I would say the Nile University of Nigeria, within the context of the Nile Consult Services Limited, is doing a very fantastic job by providing opportunities for professionals out there, for high-level workers out there to access such program, to be able to acquire essential skills that will enable them to carry out their professional duties wherever they are. So I think it's a very, very good opportunity. I think it is a unique opportunity that the university is providing for service users out there.
I would say that it's a very good idea for Nile University to be bringing in other people, external people, not just people that have registered with their school, to learn more, to be able to learn in their facility and to also see and experience that Nile facility or trainings. I will rate the facilitators and the teaching methods a 10 out of 10. It was amazing, top notch.
I would like to say on a very, very positive note that the facilities that are available for trainings like this, both for the trainees and for the facilitators, are top notch. I mean, the top class, world class. So, which make delivery of trainings like this easier, which also make participation by trainees easier, whether the participation is online or the participation is physical.
The environment was very calm, very cool and serene as well. It was a very conducive or a safe learning environment, not just for the younger generation but also for the older generation. There was enough space to spread your legs and sit.